In the glow of the shed light, midnight burns. Scrap pile dreams and the flywheel turns. Bolts on the bench and a plan half sketched. Thrill seekers, gospel and metal etched. Every rattle's a prophecy, every weld a vow. We build the chaos they're afraid to allow.
Homemade cheap bells, maximum thrills. Raise the rigs that defy all the bills. From the dirt, from the dust, from the outback hills. Homemade cheap bells with maximum thrills. Cheap bells, maximum thrills. Cheap bells, maximum thrills. Drop it, let the outback feel it. Drop it, let the outback feel it. Drop. Let the OUTBACK feel it.
Bass hits like a V8, misfiring in the best way. Chainsaw lights, anemic, grinding metal.
Zip ties holding on like a beast possessed. Milk crate seats where the brave ones rest. Rust bitten panels and a tank half full, but the throttle's hungry and the night is cruel.
How do we want?
What do we want?
How do we build?
How do we build? Fill light bar, we make it hot. Cheap break scream, full tail dream. Homemade, homemade, homemade.
Sparks in the dark as the welders scream. Born from the madness of a backyard dream. No chrome, no cash, just guts and will. A Frankenstein engine chasing the thrill. Sparks in the dark as the welders scream. Born from the madness of a backyard dream. No chrome, no cash, just guts and will. A Frankenstein engine chasing the thrill.
Homemade carnage in the dead of night. Sheep build warriors ready to fight. If it breaks, we fix. If it runs, we kill. Every second soaked in maximum thrill. Packs well like wind over red dirt. A lone guitar echoes like a distant engine. Spoken word growl from the shed to the dust. From the dust to the legend.
We build what they fear and ride what they can.
Homemade cheap bills, maximum thrills. Raise your rigs, the outback feel.
Homemade, 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 homemade.
When the dust settles and the engine's cool, we're still the kings of the backyard rule. No gold, no glory, just heart and skill. Homemade legend chasing maximum thrill.